Welcome to Professor Grace's graphic class. Before you start this lesson, download the linked reference file and please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. The Illustrator provides two ways to place pixel images into a document: embed and link. In this tutorial, let's take a look at the difference between embed and link. Before working with the reference file, I will explain about the difference between embed and link. First, let's take a look at the features of embed. Embed is like a pregnant woman with a baby in her womb. In a pregnant state, the mother and the child are one body. So, when the mother moves, the baby in the womb moves automatically together. Thus, when you place an image in the embedded state in the Illustrator, the document will include the image directly. Therefore, you don't need to have the images used in the document outside the document. Also, when you place an image in the embed method, you don't need to take the image you used to transfer the document file to another device, to a computer, or to transfer the file to the print shop. However, if the baby is in the mother's womb, the mother's weight increases and becomes heavy as the baby's weight. In this way, when you place an image using the embed method, the size of the document file increases as the size of the image. This is the disadvantage of embed. Therefore, embed is a method of placing images that is suitable for small work with a small number of low quality or high quality photos, or when working with the latest high-end computer. Let's take a look at the features of link. Link is like a child holding a mother's hand. Because mother and child are separated entities, if she doesn't want to lose her child, she must hold the child's hand when she moves out. In this way, when you place images using the link method in the Illustrator, the document and the placed images are only linked, but they are separated from each other. Therefore, you must have the photos you used in the document in their original locations. Also, when you place images in the link method, you should carry all the photos you placed to transfer the document file to another device, to a computer, or to send the file to the print shop. However, just as the baby and the mother are the individual being, the weight of the baby doesn't affect the weight of the mother. In this way, when you place an image using the link method, because the photo is only linked to the document, there is an advantage that the size of the document file is small. Therefore, link is a method of placing images that is suitable for large-scale works using a large number of high-quality photographs or when working with old computers with low specifications. Now, let's place each of the photos using link and embed in the reference file. First, I will place a photo using link. On the File menu, select Place. In the Place dialog box, select 09 Flower PNG. In the lower left corner of the dialog box, click Place with link selected. Hold down Shift and drag the corner of the bounding box to reduce the size of the flower. Then move to the bottom right of the artboard. This time, I will place a photo using Embed. On the File menu, select Place. In the Place dialog box, select 09 Sandwich PNG and uncheck Link in the lower left corner. As you see in the dialog box, the Embed option is not displayed. When Link is unchecked, the selected image is placed in Embed method. In the Place dialog box, click Place. Move the placed sandwich image to the left of the artboard. I just placed two photos with link and the other with embed. So let me tell you how to distinguish which photo is placed by link or by embed. If you click on a flower image, you will see an X inside the bounding box. In this way, a photo placed in the link method is displayed in the bounding box with X. This time, click on the sandwich image. You see that there is no X inside the bounding box. As such, an embedded photo will only show the bounding box. This time, I will open the Links panel, which allows you to control the placed images. From the Window menu, select Links. You see all of the placed images in the Links panel. In the Links panel, click the menu button and select Panel Options. In the Links Panel Options dialog box, select the largest thumbnail size and click OK. In the Links panel, a small icon on the right side of the sandwich image indicates that the photo was placed in the embed method. Select Sandwich PNG and Flower PNG respectively in the Links panel, and click the Go to Link icon at the bottom of the panel to see them selected on the artboard. Press Ctrl 0 to fit the artboard view to the window size. If you select 09 Flower PNG from the Links panel, Edit Original icon will be activated at the bottom of the panel. But if you select 09 Sandwich PNG from the Links panel, Edit Original icon will be inactivated at the bottom of the panel. This is because embedded images like 09 Sandwich PNG will later be recognized as a different image even if the original photo is edited and saved in another program including Photoshop. However, linked images like 09 Flower PNG can be edited at the bottom of the Links panel by clicking the Edit Original icon. In the Links panel, select 09 Flower PNG and click the Edit Original icon. In the opened program, select Brush Tool, write Flower, and save it by pressing Ctrl S. If you want to make more professional photo editing, I recommend you run Photoshop program and work on it. When you close the program and click on the Illustrator document, an Adobe Illustrator warning dialog box will pop up asking if you want to update it now because the file has disappeared or changed. At this time, pressing Yes will immediately update the changed image. But I will not update it now by pressing No. Since you have not updated the image you just changed, you see a yellow warning mark on the right side of 09 Flower PNG. Double-clicking on this warning mark will pop up the information of the linked image. Click OK in the Link Information pop-up window to close it. Select 09 Flower PNG and click the Update Link icon at the bottom of the Links panel to update it with the changed photo. If the linked image has been moved to another location or deleted from the original folder, a red X mark will appear on the links panel to the right of the image name to indicate the loss. This time, I will replace the linked flower image with another one using the links panel. Select a flower image and click the relink icon at the bottom of the links panel. In the Place dialog box, select 09 Noodle PNG. Check Link and click Place to place the noodle image into the link state. You see that the flower image is easily replaced with the noodle image. If you select 09 Noodle PNG from the Links panel, the Update link icon will be activated at the bottom of the panel. If you select 09 Sandwich PNG from the Links panel, the Update link icon will be inactivated at the bottom of the panel. This is because embedded images like 09 Sandwich PNG cannot be updated in the Links panel because they can be recognized as individual images even if they are edited and saved later by another photo editing program. Therefore, if you have edited and saved an already embedded photo in another program, you must click the Relink icon instead of the Update link icon to replace the image. However, if you have re-edited and saved the linked photo in another program like 09 Noodle PNG, you need to update the photo by clicking the Update link icon. This time, I will embed the linked noodle image in the document. Select the image of noodle. In the Links panel, click the menu button and select Embed Image. You see the Embed icon on the right side of the noodle image in the Links panel. And when you click on the noodle image, you see that X is not displayed inside the bounding box. If you have placed all the images in the embed method, like the current document, you will include all the images in the document itself. Therefore, when you move or send a document to another device, to a computer, or to a print shop, you don't need to any external photos other than the document file. If you want to place a small number of photos and do a simple job on a small number of pages like this one, you don't need to worry about the file size, so you can use the embed method to prevent image loss. If you need to create multiple pages and place a lot of high-resolution photos, link is better than embed, which makes the document larger and slower. Click the menu button in the Links panel to see a list of 4 panel views. If you select Show Missing, only the lost images will be displayed. If you select Show Modified, only the changed images will be displayed. If you select Show Embedded, only the embedded images will be displayed. Select Show All to show all images that are lost, changed, and embedded. The menu button in the Links panel provides 3 sorting options. Selecting Sort by Name sorts the images by name. If you select Sort by Kind, the same file format images such as PNG, JPG, GIF, EPS, TIFF will be sorted depending on the formats. If you select Sort by Status, it will show the images between the lost, the updated, the embedded, and the linked ones. This time, let's see how to embed a photo without opening the Place dialog box. From the File menu, select Open. In the Open dialog box, select 09 Flower PNG and click Open. When you place the opened image using the Open dialog box, X is not displayed inside the bounding box, and the embedded icon is displayed in the Links panel. Select the flower image and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Click on the 09 Embed AI document and press Ctrl+V to paste it. If you open a pixel image directly in the Illustrator, or you copy the image directly and paste it into another document, you will see that the image embedded automatically. So far, we've took a look at the differences between embed and link. When I teach students, sometimes I see students forget the difference between embed and link, because they mistakenly believe that the document contains linked images and delete the originals, or they do not bring the original photos for those photos linked to a document. They will face serious troubles for printing. You should be aware of the difference between embed and link so that you do not experience this difficult situation. Well, this is the basics of embed and link in Illustrator. Thank you for watching Professor Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.